Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to create an API key in Google AI Studio. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and head on over to the aistudio.google.com and sign into your account. As you can see, I'm signed in here. Then from here, where you can see your username or user profile, above that we got get API key. So go ahead and tap onto that. Now on this page here, you're going to see your list of API keys in here, or if you want to go ahead and create an API key, we can do that. So on the top far right hand corner of the page, click on create API key. Now from here, we can give your key a name. So I'm just going to call this tutorial wiz 1. Now below that, it's going to say choose an imported project. So we can go ahead and click on the little drop down. We can create a project or import a project. So what I did, I just created a new project, called it test. And now from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on that create key button. Now this is going to go ahead and create that API key for me. Give that a few moments to create that key. Now, once it's generated, you're going to see that key here. So under key, it's going to be located here. So I'm not going to click into it, but you can click into it. And then on the next page, it's going to give you the API key details, or in a little pop-up box right here.